Hello everyone, Lucas Eddy here with Klim, and today we're going to be talking about the new women's Marrakesh jacket. You guys probably know about the men's Marrakesh jacket, super popular, super comfortable. We got a ton of feedback requesting a women's version. So here we go, we've got it here. The whole piece, the whole fabric of everything is made out of this 1000 denier Karbonite micromesh, which is a stretch woven nylon, so it's kind of porous, so to speak. It's not like a fully open mesh like the Avalon jacket, but it's like a halfway between a fully, like hardly, how do you put this, like solid woven face fabric and a mesh fully open fabric. So it's halfway between those two, so air flows in like a really tempered way through it, like kind of like a controlled airflow. So it's really good in a huge range of temperatures. The comfort and the stretch makes it super easy to wear on all kinds of bikes, like touring bikes, street bikes, whatever you want to wear, sport bikes into town. And that's the other nice thing you'll notice about this is a pretty casual look. It's not like super Power Rangery, doesn't look like an adventure piece, so to speak. So it's really nice to wear in all kinds of different situations if you're just going into town for coffee or whatever. These zippered cuffs, which make it really easy to get over gloves or whatever else as you're putting on the jacket. Then we've got on the side here, if Sky wants to turn around, we've got these zippered hip gussets as well, so you can adjust the fit of the jacket as well. Then as far as storage goes, you've got two zippered hand pockets here on the sides. Super easy to store your phone, your snacks, your keys, whatever. And then we've got the full front zip and a moisture wicking liner on the inside just to keep you comfortable in those super hot conditions. Then if it gets super cold, you can put on the layer underneath, you can put on a rain jacket over top, whatever you want to do, whatever floats your boat. Last thing we have here is some reflective hits on near the collar and at the hand here. That's going to help make you more visible at night if you're riding in the dark. The last thing I have to mention is this new D30 IP Ghost padding that we use in the elbows and the shoulders. It's super slim, if you guys can see that, and it's super flexible. This is still CE level 1. So the whole garment is CE AA rated for abrasion motorcycle protection, and then this is a CE level 1 pad. Super slim, super flexible, you can hardly tell it's there really. So that's a super cool feature we're proud to add to this new women's Marrakesh jacket. We got two other colors. Check those out on the website. Sky here is wearing a size small, by the way. She normally wears a size small, so that's how it fits. And if you guys have any questions, let us know in the comments. Find us on social media, on Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube. Klim Motorcycle. Thanks for watching.
For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.